Wagwan vlog world, so I'm here. Why me look like Miguel if you sing that song there? Just need to sing Adore. Hey, babe, about to get your ski. And if you got dentist, man. Yeah, vlog world, so I'm there. Today is Sunday. I'm there with my brother. JD's up in the building. Yeah, the camera is so clean. I see every bump and bacteria in my face. Buddy! Yeah! So we're supposed to go our art show. And Jay, as always, ever late. My girl, we're always late, so I'm late for things. You can't earlier. I put the whole of this on the vlog. Ever late. So you see next year when I get my car. And when the time's at 3 o'clock, I'm leaving. You better take a bus, get there. Or walk or take a taxi, go there.
Releasing dopamine.
That's a testament of my life and everything that I have gone through. When I started painting, everything that came out was really just to glorify God. I know the name is Morning Glory, and He is the ultimate morning glory. It's not even about me. I'm just a vessel that He's using for His glory. And many persons may not understand what that means. It just simply means that giving homage to my Creator, to my Father in heaven, who is responsible for where I am today. And I can tell you, I celebrated my 38th birthday. I celebrated my 38th birthday the other day, and when I woke up, there was just an overwhelming joy that was in my spirit.
Interamerica.
Wagwan peeps, here is one of the beautiful paintings done by Morning Arts. Yeah, it's called Exodus. Be careful, Jolie. And it's a beautiful art piece. So many different colors and shades you can't really see, but it's beautiful. Yeah, so it's acrylic and foil designed, and it's called Exodus. And as you clearly can see, guys, it is sold already. So this is one of the many art pieces that I really love and appreciate. So big up to Shani and her new venture, and I love the fact that she decided to listen to the voice of God and just align herself with her calling and even her passion. As she said, everything behind this is just to inspire a lot of people around her to really get themselves in their art, and just above it all is to really just glorify God. So yeah, so let's support Jamaican artists, guys, not only musicians and people who dance and stuff like that, but artistry, guys. And I really think the art in Jamaica is not really fully at a place where it should be, where people can really earn from it, but this is one step close. And yeah, you don't know, anything God is in, it shall prosper. So yeah, so guys, we're there. Hope you guys enjoy the little piece, and you're there. So your boy sign us out. Journey with your boy. Whoop.
Releasing dopamine.